Thank you, Madam Chair, Committee. Again, for the record, I'm Dan Foreman, Senator District 6. This is indeed 31878. This legislation creates a new section to Chapter 90, Idaho Code, relating to health rights. The new section is to be known as Section 39-9004 and may be cited as the Idaho Bill of Patient Medical Rights. This legislation will help ensure fairness of treatment, enhance patient awareness of medical treatment options, and install patient safeguards with respect to requirements for informed consent in the use of experimental drugs. This legislation will place necessary and expected restrictions on state and local government as to governmental authority with respect to the advertising of certain types of medicines or vaccines and the imposition of personal restrictions on Idahoans relating to widespread medical situations. The bill simply codifies the way medical patients and their families expect, want, and should be treated by healthcare providers. Now, I have the highest respect for our healthcare system and its providers. It's taken good care of me for 71 years and good care of my family, and I'm very grateful for that. But the rights of patients should be codified, and they currently are not with any degree of specificity. Now, many of my constituents have voiced valid concerns about their interface with the healthcare system during the pandemic. This legislation establishes some seminal patient rights, including a patient cannot be denied treatment for refusing a vaccine. A patient has a right to informed consent with respect to medications and medical treatments. No patient shall be administered any experimental drug without informed written consent. This legislation directly supports Idaho Code 39-9003, which is the Idaho Health Freedom Act, which states people are free to choose health care without government interference. This legislation has been reviewed by the Attorney General's office, and a determination was made this bill does not conflict with provisions in either the state or U.S. constitutions. The Idaho Attorney General may seek injunctive action against violators of this proposed legislation under Idaho Code 67-1405 sub 15. And with that, Madam Chair and Committee, I'll be happy to take your questions.